Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing, guys. I have something very exciting to talk about, guys. It's a Wagner Control Pro 130 power tank. It's an airless paint sprayer. You can use it to paint houses inside, outside. You can use it to paint furniture, things like that. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing, guys. All right, let me show you how the box look. The front has this on it, and has another picture of it right here. Basically the same thing on all sides. All right, a picture of throwing the paint into the bucket. All right, guys, let's go. Let's show you what it look like inside. All right, guys, here we go. You got the booklet. It's always important to read the instructions, guys, before you use new products. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to mess up your products. Okay? All right. Here we go, guys. Here it is. First time taking it out. Out the box. I'll put the box one side. All right, guys. Take it out the plastic. It's pretty nice and compact. Put that one side. Put the book one side too. This is some important steps that you need to take before using it. Take a look at all sides, guys. It's really nice, really nice, really nice, really strong, really heavy. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, guys, we got the I think it's 25 feet of what do you call this now? 25 feet of hose. You know, 25 feet. This is a good amount, you know, especially if you have high places. All right, you got the spray tip, right? This is the nozzle, and this is the spray tip, right? There's some other stuff in here. Okay, this is the gun. This is the actual spray gun. Hope you've seen it good. All right. All right. Okay, that's how it looks. It can hold approximately 2.5 gallons of paint. So you can do a lot of painting before you have to refill. So guys, I look forward to painting my outside of my house. I look forward to painting the outside of my house, guys. I really wanted to do this for a good amount of time, so I finally got a tool to help me do my work, guys. Once I paint my house, I'm going to show you what the results. All right, so guys, I'm going to show you a short clip on how this machine works, how this airless paint sprayer works. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace. Yeah, guys, I paid $225 on Amazon.com. The total cost of everything was $263. It's a good buy, guys, and I recommend it. Thanks for watching.